Welcome back. It's another week. This week I got this 240 in, it has a 2J swap. I just finished the intake on it. And then I got something pretty special. I'll show you guys that in a bit. I'll do a couple of B-rolls of the 240 I have now, and then the intake I made for it, and then we'll move on. Alright, this job's a wrap. It's a nice little 4-inch intake. So it's all 4-inch. Got a bracket with a little bushing just so it can handle the vibrations. Dash 10 for his sketch can setup. And yeah, pretty clean setup, clean car. But we'll be moving on to the next project, which I'll give you a little sneak peek. Yeah, you know what that is.
Yeah, boy.
So yeah, I'll be doing that this week. I have a lot of projects this week, so anyways, let's move on to the next project.
The next day.
All right, we are starting on a new project. We got Marlon's Huracan. He had got a kit through Sheepy. Everything's beautiful, don't get me wrong. It's just the exhaust itself doesn't line up with the tips of, I guess, the Tecnica bumper. I was gonna try to modify the exhaust that's currently on the car, but it doesn't look like that's gonna work out too well. A lot of the Tecnica exhaust twin turbo kit anyways, I saw that both banks are separate, meaning there's no like EC pipe. That's most likely what I'm gonna have to do is build a whole new exhaust. I'm gonna run it by him first, give him the quote, and if he says go for it, then we're building a Lambo exhaust. You can do it! But yeah, let me show you what I'm dealing with right now. All right, here's the car. And then back here, this is what I'm dealing with. The tip is like literally at the turbo. Same with this one. I can make these work by cutting this back quite a bit. That way I can get a, you know, a 3.5 pipe to go that way. Like hug this and go in. The current exhaust will not work. Even if it did, it's too close to the grill area. That would be tight. But anyways, let me figure out what I'm gonna do here. And the bumper looks sick. Let me go ahead and I'll send him some pictures of what I need to modify, how I have to build the exhaust. Let's see what he wants to do.
The next day.
Today, I've been working on the Huracan. I already got the tips trimmed and cut where I need the exhaust to actually land. Let me show you where I'm at right now. So from the back, everything looks just like normal.
She said.
Come in here, and that's where the tips are gonna be. See, I trimmed this back quite a bit just to make room for our tips to go in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and make my pieces that I need to come out to the bumper. I'll probably weld that, and then I'll start working on the recirculations for the dumps. And since I have a little bit of room right here, I might like just come here and then have them merge right here, right into this side. I don't know, I'll figure it out. Figure out where I'm gonna have them merge. Good progress today. I would have got a lot more done, but I was setting up my new saw. When this thing came in, it literally was in pieces. I had to put it together. But pretty nice little setup. I got the little tray for it, roll it around. The only thing about stuff like this, it just becomes a table to put shit on. All right, well, I'm gonna continue working on this. Getting late here already, but I have to make money. You know what I mean? All right, jumping back onto the Lambo. It's another day. I got one side done. Well, not done. I have to merge the wastegates like I mentioned. I got kind of a rough idea how I'm gonna do it. I got some pieces cut. I'm gonna tack them on and let's see how it comes out. All right, I got my driver's side done. I got my opening for the merge cut and I'm about to weld this up. So basically, this guy's gonna sit like that, and that's where the wastegate's gonna merge. So let me get this side welded up, and then I'll show you it installed. All right, guys, so the driver's side is done. I was hoping to have some of the passenger side done today, but unfortunately, UPS messed up. So my material doesn't come in until tomorrow to finish off the passenger side. The driver's side's done and looks amazing. Let me show you. I also made these little like bushings to lift this support up a little bit because his bumper was hanging, like kind of sagging. So he asked me to do that. And then I also got a plate for under here because this is like an aftermarket setup. It's not like this stuff is not the greatest quality. I'll just be honest. It's like very thin sheet metal. I got a plate to go underneath here just to reinforce this a little bit and make it a little stronger. So I will continue on this tomorrow and we'll go from there.
An eternity later.
So the Lambo, it's pretty much a wrap. I got the exhaust completed. I'm just like, now I have to modify one of the bracketry for it. Like I mentioned before, I made those little risers so the bumper will line up now. But yeah, let me just show you what it looks like. Full 3.5. We got the wastegates merging on the bottom. Same on this side. Came out pretty sick. But like always, let's get some B-rolls.
Damn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
MC, make another hit.
Whoa. This ain't what you want.
Project
This ain't what you want. This ain't what you want.
Finish this before I start it up.
Next morning.
Oh wait, no. Oh no, it's for the light. Yeah, that's for the light. Yeah.
Chris, what the fuck you doing?
I'm trying to.
He doesn't know what the fuck he's doing.
I'm used to Honda, bro.
I want to hear it start up. Shit.
That's what she said.
I was about to say that. Is there like a brake light on that?
Yeah.
Mm.
All right. So there's
That
that.
was the thing.
Yeah. What's the?
The OEM had fucking like rib nuts.
Oh.
Okay. Just get a little super glue and duct tape, man. That's all right.
I can do the rib nuts. Well, I'm not gonna fucking store that. Do you have any that size?
Alright, don't fucking scratch it now.
Fuck it up.
Let him do it. You know what I mean?
Yeah, because if you fuck it up, then
It's different. I gotta fix it.
How do you feel about your work, man?
I think it looks beautiful. This guy thinks it's mid.
Why?
Oh, I always, yeah.
He always says that every time. That's not mid.
I mean, you know, it helps you become a better welder.
Yeah.
Right? If I keep telling you your shit's good, I can be like, I'm cool. I don't need to improve.
Yeah. No, I always want to improve.
That does look pretty good, though.
I'm trying to make it better, bro.
So Marlon's here to pick up the Lambo. The bumper is installed. I'm just gonna show you a sneak peek. Looks sick.
Motherfucker got the goddamn Huracan out.
Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like, comment, and subscribe as usual. Let me know what you guys want to see in further videos. I appreciate everybody, and I'll see you next time.